National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Laurel County, West Central Owsley County, West Central Left County, Jackson County, Eastern Rockcastle County, Clay County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ardery, or 8 miles southwest of McKee, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Deese around 11:05 p.m. Royrader around 11:10 p.m. Fogertown around 11:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Hooker and Herron. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Jackson, Leslie, and Owsley.